Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name's Aaron. I'm the creative director at Square Thunder. This is Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Our word today is Nervine, N-E-R-V-I-N-E. It comes from the same Latin root where we get words like nervous or nerve. So it's either a feeling of anxiety or easily agitated or alarmed, or the physical things in our body that transmit electrical impulses through our body. The word nervine means something that has a soothing or calming effect on the nerves, whether that's physiologically, it actually calms the nervous system of the body, or mentally it calms us and brings us a soothing state of peace, I guess you would say. You might have noticed over the past number of weeks of Fast Logo Friday that I've been kind of focusing on the spirits industry or alcohol of various types, and that's a little bit by intent. I kind of wanted to niche down into a particular sector. Today I'm going to step away a little bit from the alcohol industry, but still stay within beverages. Today I'm going to use the word Nervine to design a logo and some kind of brand elements for a hot tea beverage. So, we're going to stay with kind of that soothing, calming feel and mood, I guess. I want to kind of keep it calming. I think what I kind of like to do is go down a bit of a vintage kind of a look and feel, perhaps. I'm not sure exactly how that'll shake out. I don't want to get too... I don't think I want to get too kind of uptight in the high English tea sort of a feel with China and some of those classic, really delicate shapes. I like to stay a little bit more modern than that, but you never know. We'll see where it goes. I'll explore some of those ideas anyway. I'll be looking at some reference material for teapots and teacups and stuff like that, just to see what kind of inspires me that way. Like usual, I'm going to start off by sketching out some rough ideas on paper, and then I'm going to bring one of those into Illustrator, refine it a little bit further, and then finally put together a few design mock-ups to show what it would look like in the finished world, kind of give an overall picture of not just the logo, but how it would be in its implementation, whether that's on packaging or some advertising materials, kind of put together some ideas of color themes and typography treatments and the type of imagery that might get used with this if it was developed as a full-blown brand. So with that, let's jump in and start sketching out some rough ideas, and we'll see where it goes. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. If you like what you see here, give it a thumbs up, give it a like and a share and a comment. Those things all make a difference and help the channel grow, and I appreciate that very much. Thanks for your comments and your feedback. It means a lot to me. We'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. I'm Aaron with Square Thunder. Stay awesome.